In this lesson, we are going to add a countdown. A countdown is really great when you're having a special event and you want people to know when that event is coming. So I actually use this a lot. So right now, the countdown is for 2019, December 25th. So let's change this now to 2018. And it automatically changed that date for you. So if you want it to be, let's say, 11, it changed that date for you. You want it to be 10, it changed that date based on that. And if you want to adjust the column, you can change the finished text. This is what happens. So after the countdown ends, this is what people are going to see. So whatever text that you want it to be, you can say something like, unfortunately, the countdown is over. Next time, or whatever text that you want it to be goes here. And that only happens after the countdown goes to 0. So let's change the height. So that's what the height looks like. You want to change the width. You need something bigger. You can have everything as one like that, or you can have them individually. And you can change the font size. You want something a little bit bigger. You make that larger. You can change the colors. Once again, based on what you're going for. So you want to change the border. You can change the border size and you can change all that stuff there. So if you want to customize something unique, let's just do this here, the font size. And so right then and there, I've just designed a nice, a two color background that looks pretty decent. And you can change here the border style. You want it to be double? Do you want it to be dotted? Dash. So you have a lot of flexibility to be able to do something here. And then the border radius, you can do that too. If you want to go with that style, the label fonts, you can make that like that. And you can change the text color as well. So everything that you need to be able to create a really high quality professional countdown is right in your hands. So you can put the label, new course coming in, and it just counts that down for you. So feel free to create your own countdown.